How to download CorelDRAW for free. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you download CorelDRAW for free on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the source field, you'll have to type for CorelDRAW. And after that, you'll have to hit the enter button. Okay, so from here, you'll have to choose the first one, CorelDRAW.com. So simply have to click on it. And now from here, you'll go to options like try free. So simply to try it free, you'll have to click on this option. So from here to get started, you'll have to connect with your Facebook or Google. So simply I'm choosing Google. Okay, so after you choose the Google ID, click on this continue. Okay, so here you have to give the first name and last name. So I will give here my first name and last name. Alright, so after you get this, you'll have to click on this continue. Okay, so it's almost done. Okay, so from here you'll have to accept the Corel end user license agreement to continue. So you can read it from by clicking on this. Okay, so you can read the license type, and from here you can go back and click on this agree and continue button. Okay, so as you can see, I have the 15-day CorelDRAW free trial. So from here, I can enjoy the CorelDRAW for 15 days. So after then, I will have to pay for this app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to download CorelDRAW for free on your PC or laptop. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.